Hello friends, this is Promit Goa, and well, I'd like to brief you about a revolution called Triple M. Triple M, that stands for Mavrodi Mondial Money Box, was started by a person called Sergey Mavrodi in Russia. The first person I would be thankful to is Mr. Mavrodi, because that concept from Russia is now running in India and it's changed lives increasingly. Second thing is, well, I personally joined this system on the 19th of October 2012. So I would like to share my experiences in the last 6 months, what I have personally felt about Triple M and how things have been with me. Talking about a few things, or highlighting a few things, would be the reasons I joined this company Triple M is because firstly, the concept about giving free money to another person, or for that matter, it's about giving help today and getting help tomorrow. So this entire ideology was something which struck me when I joined the system. So, and this would probably help a common man today to reach another level tomorrow. So I have personally felt a difference in my life, and today I wanted to share this with each and every one for that matter. Second thing is that there are two things, or there are two reasons for that matter, why Triple M is very important for the financial structure of a country. So those are 2 points which I would like to elaborate on. First point is because today's world, everything we deal it in terms of American dollars, in the sense whatever things. So basically dollar is the monopoly currency that is running all over the world. Now everyone is aware that America's financial condition is not the same way as it was a few years back, and things have degraded down the line. So well, the reasons now I feel that probably this is a major equipment to improve a financial condition of a country is because the concept of getting a common man to another level tomorrow would help things in a big way. Now, talking about going back again to the monopoly of an American dollar, there was a federal body which was running this system over there for quite some time, and they have gone ahead and released that currency all over the world, which the world has accepted in today's market. Obviously, because there's no you could say there's no concept or there's no ideology that has come out till now which could probably give competition to that. And today I feel Triple M is a concept which will actually go ahead and take us to that level that tomorrow we can fight that concept. So basically Mr. Mavrodi's entire concept was about breaking this entire financial pyramid which we are living in today. Second thing is that there are two more people which I would like to thank about. Mr. Alexei Muratov, because he's got this operation in Asia and now it's running in India. So thanks to him that we've got this, we are witnessing this beautiful revolution in our country, and we are witnessing it in a big way. And the third person would be, actually I would say people, because there are two of them, that's Dinesh and Mr. Michael. They are running and heading the operations in India. So thanks to all these people that today we have a beautiful revolution and we can actually make a difference in our economy today. Second thing which I was feeling with regards to the ideology, which probably there's an advantage that's being taken by us as a common man, is our banking system. Now today what's happening is the banks are going ahead and taking advantage of us in a big way, but we as a common man are not realizing that. So this is something which I would say is parallel to a banking system and which can make a difference tomorrow. Now what I will do is I'll go ahead and elaborate a few things about how the system works. And the best thing is, in this entire system, you don't promise anyone, you don't commit to anything, and there are no investments to be made as well. So it's purely free money that you're going ahead and putting in this system, and you're getting help from the other person. So I'll go ahead now and I'll elaborate a few things about how the system works, the functionalities of this system, and I can describe that to you. Thank you, Triple M.